Hi there, champs. This is again Coach Ken, your wealth coach, and at the same time an entrepreneur. And today's video, we're going to talk about what is CIMB. If you are here, I'm pretty sure na curious ka din, ano ba itong CIMB na ito? Is this legit? And what are the benefits of having a CIMB account? But before that, kung napadaan ka lang sa video na to, or if you have been following my channel, again, I am Coach Ken. I am the founder of the Limitless Wealth. I am a wealth coach, and at the same time, an entrepreneur. So in this channel, I will be talking about life, love, and abundance. Alright, and for today's video, yun nga, pag-uusapan natin ang CIMB. Ano nga ba ang CIMB? By the way, just a disclaimer, this is not a paid ad. And I would just be sharing what are my thoughts towards being a user of the app and at the same time an account. May account ako, may account ako sa CIMB. I'm a saver of CIMB, at i-share ko lang sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga personal experience ko having a CIMB account. So, for today, siguro pag-uusapan muna natin ano ba yung is CIMB legitimate? Saan ba pwede makapag-apply? And what are the benefits? At yun nga, CIMB is a digital bank. Actually, there are a couple of digital banks already available in the Philippines. You have ING at marami pang iba. But personally, last year, which is 2021, I opened up my CIMB account kasi naging curious ako upon reading about digital banks and how beneficial it is when it comes to the interest rate that they are giving to their users. Compared naman sa mga regular banks such as BDO, BPI, and the like, they have low interest rates compared to digital banks. Probably because, kasi nga, since digital bank siya, wala siyang gaanong operational expenses such as tellers, offices, syempre sa isang bank, diba, napakadami din nilang binabayaran. So, for digital bank and for CIMB in specific, meron naman silang nag-iisang office all over the Philippines, and that is located in Taguig. So, which means, instead of paying, probably operational expenses, kaya sila nag-offer ng higher interest rate, it's because nakaka-save up sila sa overhead expenses with, having such physical bank. So, probably, that is one of the reasons talaga kung bakit may high interest rate sila compared doon sa mga regular banks. And they are legit because they are still regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And at the same time, they are also covered with PDIC, so which means Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation. So, lahat ng banks na legit are, of course, they do have that PDIC. So, which means na pag may 500,000 pesos ka na savings, you are covered na. Whatever happens to the bank, if ever they would declare bankruptcy, the government will give you that coverage. No? So, yun naman yung parang insurance side niya. So, yeah, I think the app, or how could you open up a CIMB account? So, simply open or download it from your iStore or app or Google Store. Search mo lang CIMB app Philippines. So they actually upgraded their interface. So may bago siya. So kung tulad mo rin ako, that I am actually a user of CIMB for a year already because they just recently upgraded last March of 2022. So, bagong interface na sila. So, if ever na user ka na and then you've noticed na parang ba't dito na open, what's happening, don't panic. Just download the old one and then uninstall mo na lang download the new one and uninstall mo yung old one. So, yeah, and probably we'll talk about also the different products that they do have. So siguro mas mainam na I will, tell it in detail through their website at kung ilan ba as to how much, interest rate will you gaining from each of their products kasi iba-iba din. Now, let's dig deeply into some of the details, specifically the products of CIMB na kahit nasa iisang bank siya, it offers different products with different benefits and different features. Ayan, so syempre dito tayo sa kanilang website. So, they have different products such as Upsave, Fast Plus account, Gsave account, personal loan, G-credit, and Revi credit. But for today's video, etong tatlo lang muna ang ating itatakal. Because I personally don't have any account with personal loans, G-credit, or Revi credit. So, G-credit nasa Gcash naman siya. But ako hindi ko personally, wala akong personal account with it kasi wala naman din akong plano mag-loan. Alright, so let's first talk about the Upsave account. So for the Upsave account, yun nga, it has actually interest rate up to 2.5 per annum, no? Higher interest rate per annum. Compared to regular banks, no? Nasa mga 0.25 and even some 0.125% lang. So, napakalaki talaga ng difference niya. So, if you're really looking forward to save probably emergency fund, kasi yun yung palang, ito yung ginagawa kong saving for my emergency fund. Kasi kahit, of course, I will just be using it during emergency. So, at least, mas malaki lang yung growth niya. Siyempre, hindi naman siya for long term, like for example, retirement, education na. So, hindi ko naman siya ginagamit or because I'd rather put it in an investment na mas higher pa talaga nito. But, if just for savings talaga, this is a good option compared to regular banks. And then, the good thing pa is kapag meron kang average daily balance ng 5,000 pesos, you will be covered 250,000 of a life insurance. Diba? So, may savings ka na, meron ka pang coverage. And then, it has zero fees, zero monthly premium, and no medical checkup required. And then, of course, the good thing about opening up an account, aside sa online siya, so hindi ka na, walang hassle na siya, napupunta ka pa sa bank, alam mo yan, you will line up, at mainit pa, so you will just, gonna open an account via online. So, of course, download mo lang yung app nila. So, ang kagandahan pa is it has zero fees, no initial deposit, and no minimum balance required. Ayan. And, of course, let's proceed with the Fast Plus account. So, with the Fast Plus account, of course, convenience at your fingertips. It takes just 10 minutes to open up your savings account via mobile phone. Pero, syempre, you have to prepare some requirements which we will be talking about in a short while. No need of initial deposit then, and then maintaining balance, wala din siya. So, which is pretty great. And then the reason why bakit I open up a Fast Plus account or a Fast account, it's because pwede ka magkaroon ng ATM card. Alright? So, with the ATM card, of course, you just have to accumulate at least 100,000 pesos in your account para maging free yung ATM debit card niya. And then, it will be delivered at your home. Diba? So, of course, withdraw from anywhere. So, with that debit card, you could withdraw over 21,000 ATMs nationwide for free on your first 2 withdrawals each month. Ayan. So, siguro ako personally, i-avail ko talaga ito kasi hindi naman ito magiging source talaga ng expenses ko. So, I will just be using this account for my emergency fund, which is rarely ko lang talaga siyang i-withdraw. So, if it's free for the first 2 months of each month, then wala akong bayad with the withdrawal fee. Pero syempre naman, if there would be, transaction fees for the first 2 cash withdrawal transactions at an ATM under the BankNet network per calendar will be rebated within 14 business days for the following calendar month. So, i-avail na lang natin yung free, ano. So, siguro, my advice would be, wag mo siyang gawing parang savings mo sa mga expenses mo on a day-to-day basis, but rather more of like really sa emergency fund mo na barely mo lang talagang ginagamit. And there's also actually a way that you could upgrade kasi nga ang fast account is only valid for 12 months. Pero, you could actually upgrade it to Fast Plus account. Ayan. So, the benefit naman of Fast Plus account is you would have 0.75 interest rate per annum. And then, it has longer account validity. And there is also no limit on the deposit. Compared doon sa fast account na hanggang 100,000 maximum lang tayo for the next 12 months. So, upgrade na lang natin siya after that period of time. Ano? So, para sa akin naman, parang, di ba kung, if you are to analyze, mas malaki yung Upsave. So, the way I actually, ginagawa ko is, talagang, I just opened up a fast account para meron akong ATM debit card. And then what I did is, since nasa iisang app lang naman lahat ng mga products na ito, most of my save, after ko nakuha yung ATM card ko, transfer ko lahat doon sa Upsave account ko para mas malaki yung interest rate niya. So, every time siguro na magwe-withdraw lang ako, doon ko lang ita-transfer from Upsave to Fast Plus, which has no fees at all. And then, doon ko na magwe-withdraw. So, parang strategic ka lang talaga on how are you going to manage your funds. And then, Gsave account, I'm pretty sure na nakita mo ito sa Gcash account mo. So, of course, it's easy to manage because it's available on your Gcash account. Pero, I have actually a problem as to opening up right now ng isang Gsave account. Hindi ako makapag-transfer kasi I did my application directly doon sa app. One of my friend told me na ang ginawa niya naman is nag-save siya sa Gsave account at doon siya nag-open up ng CIMB account, which is convenient kasi makakapag-cash in ka at anytime from your Gsave account. Kaya currently, I don't have one. So, siguro, I'll be creating future video as to, doing that. But, kasi nakapag-set up na ako ng account at kahit anong gawin ko, hindi na talaga ako makapag-save ng Gsave. So, currently, what I have right now is Upsave account and Fast Plus account. Pero, the good thing talaga na may Gsave account ka is it actually offers the highest interest rate among the three, which is 2.6% per annum. No? So, compared sa Upsave, which is 2.5 lang. So, yun lang, doon lang ako nagkamali talaga na nag-open ako directly doon sa app instead na dapat mag-open ka muna sa Gcash mo, then go to savings, which is Gsave, tapos doon mo na siya ina-navigate. And then still, zero deposit needed. Opening an account is easy with zero initial deposit required. Plus, you can start earning interest right away with zero minimum and maintaining balance needed. San ka pa, diba? And then, of course, dito tayo, ano ba yung mga sino ba yung makakapag-open ng account, no? So, of course, individuals aged 18 and above, and then applicant must be fully verified in their Gcash user. So this is for the Gsave, okay? Applicant must be Filipino citizen, a non-US person, and have at least one valid government-issued ID. Alright? So still zero annual fees. And of course, same goes with the Fast Plus account. Pero syempre, hindi na kailangan na may Gcash ka. Instead, kailangan meron kang Philippine mailing address and an active Philippine mobile number. At hindi ka an US citizen. Okay? And same sila actually with the Upsave account. So yeah, I think if you have further questions or further clarifications, comment it on the comment section below. I'd love to answer it. I'd love to see what else are you curious about. Basta sa akin talaga personally, I really wanted to create this video and I only just had time today to to make this video happen. And personally, gusto ko lang talaga siyang i-share kasi yun nga, I was really pleased with
the interest rate. Like, makikita mo talaga sa transaction na parang hindi lang siya centavo but peso. But of course, still that depends on the maintaining balance that you do have. So again, I'm using CIMB for my emergency fund. Now, if you wanted to learn more about emergency fund, I will also be putting out a link of the previous video that I had for about emergency fund. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today's video, and I'm just excited to share this with you guys and hoping na naging valuable din siya ng informations for all of you. Alright, again, this is Coach Ken saying, if you think you can, have a great day.